Can New Jersey pay my business or nonprofit for switching to solar energy? Yes, they can. And the answer might surprise you.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding. Let me walk you through it. Have you heard of the New Jersey Economic Development Authority? Well, the New Jersey Economic Development Authority, or NJEDA, works to grow the state's economy and increase equitable access to opportunities by supporting job creation, catalyzing investment, and fostering community development. And one of the programs they offer is the Small Business Improvement Grant. What is the Small Business Improvement Grant, you ask? The Small Business Improvement Grant is a state grant program offered by the NJEDA, which provides reimbursement for costs associated with making building improvements or purchasing new equipment. A total of $15 million of Main Street Recovery Finance Program funding will be utilized to capitalize the Small Business Improvement Grant. And installation of solar panels that generate electricity for your business qualifies for the Small Business Improvement Grant. You're going to be reimbursed for up to 50% of the total project costs incurred, up to $50,000. So as an example, if your small business solar installation cost is $100,000, 50% of that cost, or $50,000, will be reimbursed by the Small Business Improvement Grant.
Really? Well, that's interesting. Really? That's interesting. That's very interesting.
It is. So, who could apply? All commercial businesses and not-for-profit organizations that meet the eligibility criteria outlined on the program website are able to apply. Am I getting the grant money up front prior to installing my solar panel system? Unfortunately not. The work must be completed before applying for the grant, but once approved, you'll receive reimbursement for up to 50% of the total eligible project cost. Is there a minimum project cost? Yes, the minimum project cost is $5,000. How much money will my small business be reimbursed? As we mentioned, the grant will reimburse a small business for up to 50% of the total eligible project cost. Project minimum cost is $5,000. Grants cannot exceed $50,000. How long is the process for receiving my reimbursement for our commercial solar project? The USDA has received a significant number of applications for the improvement grant. The expected time for processing is 8 months from your application date. How are the grants dispersed? Applicants who are approved for grants will be required to pay an approval fee of $100. After paying this fee, the NJEDA will send the grant agreement via email. Funds will be dispersed to the applicant when the grant agreement is signed and returned back to the New Jersey Economic Development Authority.
Well, sign me up.
So how do I get started, you ask? Let's set up an appointment as your solar project consultant as the first step. We'll go over your electricity usage, business needs, and can help you get a real understanding of solar options for your business. Then we will create a proposal for you and go over all the tax credits, the depreciation credit, and New Jersey business and state incentives so you get a really clear picture. Most systems can be reimbursed from 50 to 90% within the first year with these incentives. And don't worry, we offer no money down financing options with monthly payments lower than what you're currently paying for your electric company. Once your system is installed, we'll work with you to complete your application for the New Jersey Small Business Improvement Grant, as well as other incentives you qualify for. Ready to make the switch to solar and start saving money for your business? Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take advantage of these incredible opportunities. If you'd like more detailed information on the New Jersey Economic Development Authority Improvement Grant, put a comment below, email us or call us, or you go to our website, Clean Energy Advisor for You.